question. What's the name of the Ashanti regional minister?
We started using them, they were complaining. That's why we stopped. This one, according to the contract has been terminated. They want to repackage it in digital. For the contractor, get fund, emergency project. The contractor, no, they're not.
So right to request to be better. Not to indicate
We are grateful.
welcome.
But this building was built during the Prof. Atamo's time. And this one was and this one fit. These are the three blocks of the Prof time and GMPC and then fit. Secondly, education improvement project that are great. Aside that, the rest are all. On the corner, and it is here.
Let's give a clap to welcome. This is quick one. Hello, just keep quiet. It's a quick one. We are privileged to have the leader of the region, the regional minister, with the father of the region and his team. He is here with our own brother, Honorable Sadiq, the DCE, the regional director of education. I want you to see him well. The regional director of education is also here, and his team, the coordinating director, the police commander, the headmaster of the school, the one hosting you, the chairman of the party, the presidency chairman of the party, the ruling party. Yes, the party is government. And his team. Briefly, maybe this will be your first question. What's the name of the Ashanti regional minister?
That's a hundred.
Somebody is here.
Dr. Frank Amwako.
So we are very fortunate to have this very powerful team here to inspire you, to encourage you, to motivate you so that you sail through this very important activity of your life. So I'll end here and hand over the baton to the team to give you a word or two. Thank you so much.
morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so those of you who did not hear my name is Dr. Frank Amwakohene. I'm the regional minister and a medical doctor by profession. Okay, so those of you started my journey just like you have started. Yes. Some years ago, in 2005, I also started for my BSc. Wow. So it's 20 years ago, right? Yeah. And so envision yourself, maybe some 15 years, 20 years from now. Who knows? Through the grace of God, probably you also become regional minister or even president of the Republic.
It's me.
So all that will depend on your efforts and your decisions you make in between now and then. So this is the first test of life. To sit for the BC examination and also proceed to the senior high school level, to the university level, and all the other levels that you want to attain so far as the educational ladder is concerned. So we want to encourage you that it is not magic. It comes out of hard work. I know you may have spent some months preparing, and also want to thank your teachers for all the efforts you have put in preparing them for this day. If you are not all that prepared, it's still not too late. We still have some hours, we still have some days ahead until you complete all the papers by next week. The whole trick is that you don't have to panic. You just have to master the areas that you are very conversant with and try and then catch up with the other areas. As you are also moving and waiting to, as it were, enter your various halls, if you have friends and there are things that you still don't understand, you can ask them and they will be able to support you or, as it were, explain some of the things to you. So keep calm, be relaxed, and then write as much as you can so far as the various questions are concerned. And follow instructions. It's very important. I'm very sure that your invigilators will tell you what to do and what not to do. Today we decided that we were not staying in Kumasi. We have to come all the way to Makranso by the kind demand of your very own DC. So I had to move all the way from Kumasi and come and join him so that together we inspire you and also motivate you and let you know that we are there for you. And we are there to ensure that once you pass and pass well, whatever support you need in order to complete your education, His Excellency the President has made enough provisions for you. So yours is to make sure you pass and pass well. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm very sure that you're going to succeed and you're going to do well. As you sit by your paper, you just say a word of prayer and just have confidence that God who has brought you this far will definitely. I won't go in English. Right, you're writing in English, right? So at least you have to understand. I'll pick one or two things for me. We'll take you to a successful completion. By the kind courtesy of His Excellency the President, the schools we are visiting, you are lucky and privileged, going to support each and every student here with a mathematical set and pen. Those practice and pens definitely should inspire you and also motivate you that you should pass well because there is more in stock for you. So once again, not to bore you and also to waste time, we are just here to encourage you and let you know that we are here for you. So when we are done with you, we make them available as right here so that every student will have one of the sets and also a pen as a show of our support for the journey ahead of you. So all the very best to you all. Make us proud. We are proud of you already, and we know that you are going to make us even more proud. So there is a copy of the mathematical set. of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. You may come in your exam. So those of you who do not know, you just have a look at it and then you chew it. And you also have a picture of my very own self, the Regional Minister, so that you can also have a look at it and also keep it in mind. So they will distribute it to you so that you all have copies and you all use it during the examination. So they said, I want to thank you all and wish you the very best in this examination. Thank you very much. Let me present it on behalf of God bless you, God bless Let me call you later.
Then I'm back at Minister.
Hello. Let's get a prefect from each school quickly. A prefect from each school. A prefect. Let's line up.
Please look at
Future ben at the mall, as well as supervisor's name with the latest name.
Okay, the weather must say, I'm not paying. They say, they decided to say, the brand centers now, I'm not sure who's the examination. Together with the educational director and for education reason. We decided to enter Kumasi. Kumasi say, M1 more than enough. Besides, outside Kumasi, on the request of the Honorable DC, our Mankanso to observe a preparation so far, students now and also use that opportunity where they are. And they try to visit all the centers. And also, we also the higher Mankanso Senior High School. Over Ghana, we say over 603,000 students now SAT for this exam. Over Ashanti region now about 120,000 and SAT in Ashanti region. In the area we still almost 20%. It's almost 19.9% of air numbers in there. And the chair said, "You might be in the donor to see an answer. What's it? You go there. So the other person come on. A very uneventful. Yet no motivating crowd now. But me happy. If you buy any no share, the only teacher for now at their time. I want to commend them for the good job they have done in preparing these students, and also spend time with them now. They show moon cry. They may try to get 2005. They were 2025 until 20 years in here. At least I'm fortunate to be the deputy. Until they show moon cry say, and they know we now as a medical doctor. Now and here my now your decisions you're making here in between the 20-year period. And we have encouraged them say they should do all they can to make sure they excel the first exams we are concerned. And also assured them say once they excel, His Excellency the President has made enough provisions. Say the bear I could have be a person toward the school should be here. I'm quite so very school no better. And it's our assurance we have given to them. And we are very sure, say, we are going to do all they can so that they will be able to, as it were, excel in these exams. One other area, we're stressing on, we say, they should discuss issues and the questions, and not questions per se, but the topics among themselves, so that at the university level you promote group studies and all that. But I think at the basic level, now you time for emphasis. It helps. If we are teaching in nature, now who near the administrative and according to me, but the colleague can't train now with me confidence. Beyond all this motivation, His Excellency the President, I'm making some provision. Kakrabia, the diabetes and memoir across region in especially more of the deprived schools. Yeah, more about some mathematical sets, pens. Those lucky sets should help them. Now, Omuhubia na motivate you, Mama Maka. I say, President Taumachi, Regional Minister Taumachi, this is so at Taumachi. This is one making provision of snacks, any water. Say the bear, Omuaha, Omudi, Omujumana, time bia, Brano. Ubia, at least also Omuano Maonia Bibia, which makes me headache. And honorable this year, that's it. Also, I the whole default, am I? Na teacher for any education directors. Na mention wo moa mo de atete ah na yeli si mu bigina ha for say atete mai because my mo nkoso na mo enter na mo boa no mai no ntimfa
vigilators no so any word of advice to them.
Oh yeah, and the invigilators, we know they have to do their work in making sure say about preventing exam malpractice. Aya na mo nko form kakra mai na enkoye hunhuna once o mo yankwara afi no mu instructions nearby, the tone of the instructions that they are doing now. I am on Kakama. I said, I could be who be unquestioned so panicky. Now, what mean Manakuma told them that I encouraging Granny say, who are wanting at the time to ask and to be supported. We're not going to be own name. And we don't want them trying to exchange whatever in there. And we are very sure say they will abide by those rules. And we are very sure say the invigilators, as they have always been, they will support them in terms of making sure say the instructions need to be to excel in these exams. No more and Yama they will make sure that is done. That's what I have for you.
English.
Yeah.
So what Europe and America was in this Kadiaba Ghana, they send with money transfer no and I make count for a day amount. Send network ben no use wait me a day ascend it. So we send it a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait to me a day ascend it. Now I was any just a say first transaction no ubenya a $20 free. The answer will be using a promo code JSXM2 and a desk screen so offer or first transaction ubenya a $20 free. Meeting the Atre Bruni. Aha, Yalan Media Ghana.